Autodesk 3ds Max is an application software bundle from Autodesk, a company that specializes in digital visualization, graphic design, and computer-aided design. Autodesk 3ds Max is the industry-standard software for designing and animating digital content using the computer-aided design (CAD) program. Autodesk has been in the industry since 1974 and was founded by Bill Atkinson and Robert Cialdini, who were considered pioneers of the computer animation industry. Autodesk was sold to Kite Software in 1996 and was then acquired by Microsoft. Autodesk 3ds Max is an application software bundle from Autodesk, a company that specializes in digital visualization, digital design, and computer-aided design. It is an upgraded version of the original 3D Studio Max software package that was sold and later acquired by Autodesk. The upgraded version offers more tools and features than the original software package. It also includes several other software packages such as Autodesk Live Scale, AutoCAD Live Analyzer, AutoCAD Craft Cloud Composer, and AutoCAD Revit. Autodesk 3ds Max is an animated model drawing and design tool and software that incorporate many CAD drawing and design applications including AutoCAD Drawing, SolidWorks, and Word-to-Word. It has powerful features that allow the user to manipulate objects and scenes in the software. It has been designed and developed especially for users who have knowledge of the computer applications and are familiar with visualizing and planning things. For the user's ease and comfort, Autodesk 3ds Max comes with a user-friendly and easy-to-use user interface that simplifies the entire process of using the software.